Welcome, friends. While the world debates whether artificial intelligence will uplift or destroy humanity, I pause to look at the brighter aspect of it, the human side of this silent revolution. We have seen talented people once lost in poverty or anonymity, now rediscovered through social media and AI driven storytelling. A single post, a single video, and lives transform overnight. Empathy and collective goodwill, that is artificial intelligence empowering humanity. Knowledge has never been this democratic. Apps, translators, and AI tutors have made learning borderless, connecting classrooms across continents and minds across generations. For the elderly, AI isn't just a machine, it is companionship, confidence, and creativity. They can share wisdom online, earn from their skill, and connect face to face with their families through video conferencing, finding purpose again in life. During my time in Japan, language could have been a barrier, but AI made it effortless. Google Translate and voice to text apps turned every interaction into an adventure. AI didn't just help me communicate, it made me fearless. From stock analysis to portfolio tracking, AI tools now enable investors to make more informed decisions. It's not about replacing wisdom, it is about amplifying it. So, how can we all navigate the AI era wisely? For young, explore, learn, and create responsibility. Use AI to build, not just continue. For the professionals, upskill continuously, blend human empathy with data driven insight. For the elderly, engage and express. Your life stories and wisdom matter, and now the world can hear them. AI is not just end of humanity, it is a new beginning for human potential. In the age of artificial intelligence, the most valuable intelligence will always be human because machines may assist, but meaning comes only from us. Thank you.